Is desperate to reach out to you, but they are fearful of rejection. Now, this person can't stop thinking about you. They're thinking about you like crazy. That isn't the issue. This person is an overthinker, and instead of just taking that leap of faith, which they want to do, and come up to you, it feels like every time they're going to do that, they just choke. This person is a strategist. It's how they work, and it's almost like for them, that's what it's all about. They feel like if they don't do it exactly right, you will either reject them or friend zone them. So they're trying to get the move, what they say, how they're looking, just everything, the timing, like everything right. This person has been talking to somebody about you. You have someone in common, and I don't know if you know that you have that same person in common, but this person is talking about you a lot to this other person. So they feel like they may have information on you that they don't get from anywhere else, because this person is talking a lot about you, about your past, about your history, about things that you've done. This is not necessarily a bad thing, but it's making this person who's strategizing for you stop coming forward. And that is because you are, and they're telling me, flight risk. You may have a reputation for being tough or for not taking any crap, or you may have, there may be other things out there. Whatever it is, it's not that it's putting this person off you, it's that it's making them feel like they need to strategize more, because you're going to be tough to crack, is what they're saying. Now, this is my angel guides giving me these messages of what's going on in their unconscious. This person or you has flamingo shorts, or you love flamingos, that is a connection. I'm also seeing definitely something around running or fitness or cross training, or wanting to have the fitness element there. And I'm seeing somebody who either was on holiday the end of the summer, even going into October, towards the end of last year, there was a holiday here somewhere. You live by each other and you see each other frequently. There is no reason that you two shouldn't be connecting, just apart from, I feel like this person was more, even though they're a strategist, it's what they do, they was kind of more willing to take that risk earlier on until they found out whatever they found out about you. Now, this person is being aloof. I didn't say aloof, I said aloof. They're holding back, and until they know exactly what they want to do, they're just kind of giving you the silent treatment, ghosting you even, until they figure out exactly what it is that they need to do. But from my cards here, they do see you as a soulmate connection. I actually feel that there is history here somewhere. They're telling me history, so whether there was something that you dated in the past, like you touched on it before and you kind of come back in contact, or whether they've known you from the past without you getting together and they wanted you then but they couldn't be with you. There is a connection to the past. You may not be aware of this though, but ultimately it's a yes. They are going to take that leap of faith. At some point they're going to get to a point where they cannot strategize anymore, they can't figure out anymore, and they're either going to lose you or they're going to have to just bite the bullet.